A magnitude 4.9 earthquake near Calbayog City, Samar, eastern Visayas, Philippines, was reported only 12 minutes ago by Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency, considered the main national agency that monitors seismic activity in this part of the world. The earthquake occurred at a shallow depth of 25 kilometers beneath the epicenter early morning on Thursday, January 16, 2025, at 2:03 a.m. local time. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.